Managing schedules inside of Playground is easy. What you'll first do is log into the administrator dashboard, click on Settings, and then the Scheduling tab. Here you'll see some student schedules that have already been created. You can see the number of students assigned, which days that it's active for, and the name of that schedule. You can click on New Schedule to create a new one by giving it a name and then selecting the day and times. And then from the three buttons here, you can also edit or delete any of these schedules. Now, you can also create a custom schedule on a per student basis. So what you'll do is click on Students, you can click on the student's name, and then you'll want to click on the Schedule tab. Now here you'll see that this student already has the full-time 5-day schedule, but you can click Remove Schedule, and then click Custom Hours, and then select each day that they're going to be here, and then customize it with the start and end time for their day. Now, this is also important because these times are also tied to our billing overage feature, which automatically charges students with the option for a grace period after their scheduled day has come to an end. Now, if you go back to the Students tab, you can apply schedules to a group of students at once by clicking on the checkbox next to their name, click on Assign Schedule, and then click on one of those predefined schedules as well, applying it to that entire group.